Hello everyone, Habib here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share something with you. If you experience this thing that when you are working on Unity and you are working with somebody else's project like this, for example this one, I have downloaded a Unity package and there is an object with this blue colored C# script icon here, and then I'm going to edit it, but nothing happened. I cannot open this script, and that is because the script is in .dll format, which is a compiled version of script. We cannot edit it. Here inside this directory we have a compiled script, a DLL file. Where is it? I think here it is. Here, yeah, it is a DLL file. And how to see the script inside this DLL file? Well, the answer is we need to decompile it using a program. There is a free program called JetBreans .peek. You can download it for free. Just install it and then you will be able to see the source code from this DLL file. Let's try to drag and drop it here inside this program, and now you will see the scripts and the source code inside it, like this. Interesting, right? Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon on my next videos. Bye bye.